Hey gardeners, how are you all? In this video, we will see how easily we can make a coir stick or grow pole for our plant. Instead of moss, we can use coconut husk and prepare the coir sticks that will be equally beneficial as the moss sticks. Coco grow poles are made by wrapping the coir fiber sheets or coconut husk around the PVC pipes or wood pipes. These sticks provide support to small climbers such as money plants. It helps to retain the moisture as it increases the moisture retention capacity to the stick and allows the roots of the plant to grip naturally into the coir fiber. These poles support faster growth in the plants which grows aerial roots. So in this video we will see how to make a coconut coir stick. We can use these poles in any kind of the pots and the plants with the aerial roots. The aerial roots of the plant penetrate to these coir sticks and support the plant, as well as it will help to take the nutrition and maintain the moisture level. For making a coconut coir stick, we will need coconut husk or fibers, that is in blue, PVC pipe, thread and scissor. So carefully tie the coconut fiber around the PVC pipe and tie it with the thread. You can also use these kinds of plastic nets to secure the coir stick. Fix the pole in the center of the pot and attach the plant to it. The plant will definitely and very soon penetrate its roots inside the pole and will definitely grow better. Biggest benefit of making DIY coir stick is that you can customize the height of the stick according to your plant need, and it is completely inexpensive. I hope this video is useful. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and happy gardening.